Hey guys, today we are reviewing a couple of frisbees here. These are made for frisbee golf. I bought them, or I got them for Christmas, I think. Well, anyways, they come in this kind of contraption here package. I got them from Future Sport. See it right there, Future Sport. It's probably not a well-known frisbee brand, or I'm not sure. Well, anyway, let's unbox this. Pull this thing apart. Throw it to the side. Okay, so it comes with three different kinds of frisbees. First one is a putter. It's the same as in golf. You shoot this one when it's you're nearby. There's a mid-range and a driver. So this is just a starting set here, but I found them to be pretty good so far. I've used them 2 times now on the course, and so far they've been performing well, but they're not too great quality. You see, I hit a tree or something, and it's already kind of scratched up. I think the other ones are fine. The putter, you have to be pretty. I usually don't throw this very far, so it hasn't had any damage. It's mostly the driver. Well, if you compare this to Innova disc golf. See, this is a driver and here's a driver. I would say this is definitely feels like it's better quality, but it's a lot more expensive too. But this works as a starter kit. At least this has worked for me, and it's a pretty nice set. You get all your essentials, and all you need to go out and throw some frisbees. It's a fun sport, guys, so you should try it out. Okay, guys, if you have any questions about this or anything else, or if you want to know more about these numbers here, well, you know what to do, guys. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you later.